Alright, well, here's my setup for a brief respite from my hike out to this old homestead here at Bobcat Ridge. Alright, so I had it on my other forward-facing side, and I don't believe the audio works on that side, this old piece of crap iPhone of mine. So, let's see if this works. What I'm going to do is, here's my windscreen, my alcohol stove, my pot, all cheap light stuff. Gonna heat up some cool pour over coffee, perfect for the hiker, backpacker. It's not Starbucks instant, so it's pretty good and pretty cheap. And you can probably hear the alcohol stove, so I'm gonna heat some water and make some pour over coffee from this stuff here, which has got a nice little filter bag. You tear the top off, got these little arms so you can sit it over your cup, and in this case it's my frothing pitcher. So there you go. Let's see, is this picture any better from this side now that I think I've got a little slightly better position and not directly in the sun. So while I'm waiting for my water to heat up, how do I become a YouTuber and make some money? So my thoughts are, I've been thinking about what's my passion. What are the things that I like and care about, have fun about? I don't care if I have any money or not. And what's not already covered. So what I found was at the very base level, hot springs. We've got a lot of hot springs here in Colorado, where I'm based. And I think there's an opportunity there because I'm not seeing a whole lot of video content and reviews of the commercial or the backcountry. How's my stove doing? Not very well. I don't think I put enough alcohol in the stove, so I'll have to go back and do that. So put my gloves on and we'll see what that looks like. Be back in a minute. Alright, so stove's back and has been refilled and it's blasting away. So as I said, hot springs. Been to a few in the state. Haven't been out to the wild ones that I very much want to visit. So it seems like an opportunity. And I think there's that. There's caves. I've been going to caves since I was a kid with my family, my mom and dad, when we would go on vacation. So, hot springs, caves, distilleries, winery reviews, even breweries. There's a ton of breweries. And that might get a little repetitive, but wineries and distilleries, hot springs and caves, I think that would be pretty cool. So I need a camera, drone, maybe use the iPad that I have, or this phone if this video is decent. Ooh, looks like my water's boiling. Hot enough for coffee, for sure. Alright, I'm going to take a break here for my coffee so I don't spill it all over my camera. Alright, we're back again. So, hot springs, caves, wineries, distilleries. All things that I dig. Could incorporate some backpacking stuff, bushcraft stuff. As well. That's some good coffee. Now, so you need views. Okay. I think that would be cool enough to get views. With regard to distilleries and wineries, could be some affiliate potentials there. Distribution, perhaps. Same thing with some of the other attractions. The commercial caves, commercial wineries, commercial hot springs, commercial caves. Could be some wild cave as well, some actual spelunking at some point. So we'll get this home and edit this and see how it looks and feels with the marginal equipment I'm dealing with. This will be some drone footage. I can't fly a drone to save my soul. As you can see, swinging and swaying. I don't know about the picture quality. Down it goes. Let's try again. We'll try again. Too windy today. Went out to the park. Got it up in the air. Crashed.